I'm Dean Newton. I'm a cleaner. I've been working at the UEA for just over 2 years. When I first heard about COVID, I thought it would be about for quite a while. People didn't realise how difficult and everything it would be living with it for into the foreseeable future. It's here, and if we don't carry on making the restrictions and being clean and tidying, it's going to be here quite a bit longer. I found the students in the last few months and everything, a lot of them have been very, very understanding. 9 times out of 10, I will admit, they've been very, very good. It has been quite tough. I found it tough. You're always wondering yourself and everything whether you're safe. Hopefully everything will come good and we will be able to see into the next year that things are getting slightly back to normal again. I do work in a respectful environment. Everybody looks out for everybody. When the lockdown's all lifted and hopefully everything gets slightly back to normal, I'd like to go and see my family, go and give my mum a hug, and maybe catch up with a couple of mates and have a whiskey down the pub. That'd be nice.